Here in this part we will work with the numbers, and without any prime factorization method we will find out that what will be the cube root of this one, as these numbers are the perfect cube. Okay, that much has been told. Now you have to find out without any factorization how you can say and what is the cube root of this number. So for that, what is the first thing we have to do? As we were doing in square numbers for division method, we used to make the group of two numbers and we used to start from the unit place. Here also we will do the same. First one I will start from the unit place, I will take 3. So in case of cube we will take a group of 3. This is the first group. This is the first group. Okay, now after that another 3 number. Here it has been given a 6-digit number, so this is the second group. Now I have got 2 group of numbers, and how we can say what will be the cube root of this one? By from the group of the numbers we have to say. Let's see. Which is the unit place of a number when its end with the for a cube when its end with a 5? That means without thinking anymore we can say it will be only 5. So for that one, here what we can write, as for the first group I am talking, that first group, for the first group our number is that is equal to 375. Here that 5 is ended with that 375 ended with 5. So this is the unit place of this one. So it must be the cube of 5. That much we can write. For unit place I have got. So in place of answer, in unit place I will write for the answer column. For answer column we can write, for unit place I will take a 5. Now what will be the next digit for the 10th place? Okay, let's think on that. Here the second group of numbers which have 8, 5, 7. Now what is the nearby cube of this one? Okay, for that we have to come to the cube of 7, 8, 9 or 100. So let's think for 9. What is the cube of 9? In case of 9, what is the cube of 9? Cube of 9 is equal to, yes, 729. Then what is the cube of 10? Why I am coming for that? Because it is a large number, 857. Okay, so 10 cube was, we know it was 1000. So it is only 3-digit number, so we cannot consider the big one. Always we can think for the smaller one, not the greater one. So here which one we can consider? We can consider that it is a cube of 9. So in this place we can take, as in 10th place we can take it 9. So our answer in this question will be 95. It is a cube of 95. This is my answer. So here what will be the answer? We can write like cube root of 857,375, that is equal to 95. How we have got this answer? I am repeating the same. Please follow it carefully. First one, we have divided these numbers in group of 3. It might have not a complete group of 3. Suppose it is on 4-digit number, so here you will get only 1 digit. But this one it is given 3 digits, so let's consider this one. For this one we will consider the unit place of this number. What is the unit place of this first group? It is 5. So it must be that unit place of the cube root will be 5. By that only we have written here 5 in place of the answer. Okay, now come to the second group. In second group, here in this case I have 3-digit number, that is 857. Now I have to compare this one. Which cube is nearer to this one? Here I know that 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is equal to 1000. So which one we can consider? We can consider the smaller one than the bigger one. So here I have considered this one as 9 cube. So my answer will be, it is 95. Okay, the cube root of 857,375 is 95. Let's come to the another example. I have written already the number. It is there already. Let me write this one and solve it. Follow each and every steps carefully. You can do this one by yourself. My second number is 17576. Here you can see it is a 5-digit number. So what is the first thing I have to do? Again I will group them. First group I will start from the unit place. I have got the first group. This is the first group I have. This is the first group. Okay, now here that 17, this is the second group. Okay, I will come to the second group afterwards. First I will think about the first group. Here it is 576. 576 means, what is the unit place of 576? Let's come to the unit place of 576? Yes, it is 6. So from the numbers of one digit, let's consider which number have cube and its unit place is 6. So why that we can say only 6 has the digit, that 6 is the only digit whose cube will be that 6. How? Because 6 cube is equal to what? 216. Yes or no? So this is the only one. For 6, its unit digit, that cube of 6, its unit digit will be 6. So by that, in case of that, in answer column we can write that unit place will be, unit place we can write here it is 6. Now I will think for the 10th place what it will be. For the 10th place, let's come to that number 17. For the 10th place, our number is 17. Okay, which is the nearby cube of 17? So for that we have to come to number 3, number 4. Okay, so what is the cube of number 2? That is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. Then 3 cube equal to 27. Then no need of going for further for the bigger numbers. So here for 2 I have 8 and for 3 I have 27. So here I cannot consider the bigger one because it is 17. So I have to go for the smaller one. So what is the cube I am getting? I am getting the 2 cube, that is equal to 8. So I will consider here as 2 in the unit place. Okay, in this way you can get the answer for this one. So here what is the cube root of 17576? That is equal to 26 only. This is my answer. Okay, I hope you are clear about this one. Okay, let's practice with the exercise and all the doubts will be cleared afterward. And thank you all to watch my videos.